Shut up. Any question before go on? No. Okay, so just like I touch a bit about collaboration, right? Collaboration is really just this, how people work together. I told you very early on in the slide is one of the bonus of releasing the one of the bonus of having software to be released in open, developed in open is it allows collaboration. Everybody can work together. So it really means that because previously, when I worked in commercial software before, collaboration is in-house. It's almost in-house. In-house means within a corporation is very rare, unless there is commercial interest, which they collaborate. It's a bit hard, but software opens up, has some very cool feature. Put it this way. The ability to share software is already remote barrier. You can share it to your friend. That's really awesome. That's how you build community. All right. That's how you build community. It's because you can share the cooler. You can make a music, share to a friend. You have this cool game that happens with open source. Maybe I just saw a few. You can share it to a friend. You have this ebook reader which you can just point, etc. So it's about sharing. Yeah.
The collaboration, you mean partnership?
Yeah, correct. So, but with source code, here's another cool thing. Multiple people can work on the project. So you can see what version of software is on. You can keep track of what people have done. You can, yes, correct, because it's part of the package. You have. So once you have the source code, you have all these tools. You have version control system, you have ticketing system. So that's a bit later, but generally the idea is you have ticketing system which essentially have a list of issues for a project. So problems, suggestions, improvement, proposals. So those are tickets, those are issues. So once you have the software, source code open, work with the version control system, work with ticketing system. You essentially get yourself a collaboration tools because everybody can see, everybody knows what each other are working on theoretically. It used to be not so easy those days, but now it's very easy for you to know who did what and how to do it. And so that's how you collaborate. So people do not need permission to collaborate now. People can take the source code, do their own changes because it doesn't do what they want to do, for example. It happened once to me. So I had used this open source package to draw a graph. So the problem is they use a very old way to doing things. It breaks with a new way. So I do some changes. So what I do is I actually did some changes and create a ticket, suggest the issue. I do a small fix. We call it a patch because it's really just a patch, one patch on the source code, just a part of it. Then the guy actually integrates the fixes so that everybody can have it. It's actually very awesome because I help fix the problem. Having open source code means to improve the software. Of course, then it depends on how nice the guy is, but that's another story together.
Then will you get recognition?
Yes, my ticket is there somewhere. If you go, you should be able to find it. If you do it on GitHub, even better because you get a profile page. The profile page essentially tells you what did you do and what you have to contribute to. So nowadays it's a lot easier to get recognition for open source software. Those days you do it because you need it or you think it's the right thing to do. So yes, even commercial software you don't get recognition. I can tell you for sure. Even in commercial software, the end result is just a software thrown to the vendor and nobody remember who did what. So when you go to work, for example, here's the interesting part for it. Once you actually go out to find a new job, just tell this is my contribution on GitHub. GitHub is a page for open source GitHub. I will show you later.
Okay.
It will show you what have you done. What have you done, what you have added and all that. So I show him, that's actually a very good recognition. I actually have a job offer once for that, but that's another thing together. So open source code, open collaboration, and also it goes back to what I tell you just now on fixes. Let's say you have old version of software, you need fixes. You can actually ask for help. Chances is somebody might face the same problem and they might help you back. So that also comes with collaboration. So it's not a vendor. It's not necessarily a vendor-user relationship, because sometimes when you